This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Traditional two-story home built in 2017. 4-bed 2.5 BTH. Mud room. Spacious open floor plan with all the features that you desire: granite, soft close cabinets, upgraded flooring, stainless steel appliances, FLR FDR. PBTH has separate deep jetted tub and separate shower, double sink, vanity. Large bedrooms, 2-car garage. PBR with cathedral tray ceiling, west/crown molding, dual closets. Large backyard, full privacy fence, west/deck. And you're minutes away from the Portsmouth Naval Hospital and other military facilities, shopping and entertainment. For more information, review the details below.